Wake up, everybody. Wake up right now. Open your eyes.
Dad, why is the car stopping? It is very early in the morning. Look outside the window. The sky is still dark and black.
I am very tired. My eyes are heavy. I want to sleep in my bed.
No sleeping today, Mia. We are here. Look out the window. Look at the very big building in front of our car.
Wow, it is a giant stone house. It looks like a gray castle. Are we going inside that old castle today?
Yes, we are. This is the Natural History Museum. It is full of old animals, big fish, and flying rocks.
A museum? I thought we were going to the shopping mall. Museums are quiet and boring. I want to buy new clothes.
Trust me, Mia. This place is not boring. It is full of action.
I am awake now. I want to see the old animals and the big fish.
Good. Grab your jackets. Let's walk to the big front doors.
Oh my God, look at the size of this room. It is very bright.
Look in the middle. It is a dinosaur, a real giant dinosaur.
That is a T-Rex. Look at his white bones. They are very old.
His legs are very long, but look at his arms. His arms are very short. He has a big head, but he has tiny little arms.
And look inside his mouth. He has very sharp teeth.
His teeth look like big white knives. I'm scared of him.
Do not be scared, Mia. He is not alive. He is just old bones.
Look up. Look at the ceiling. What is that big blue thing?
That is a blue whale. It swims in the deep, cold ocean.
It is flying in the air. It is longer than a school bus.
The museum is amazing. Where do we go first? To the left or right?
Look at the map in my hand. We need to talk to the security guard first. Follow me. Let's go to the security desk right now.
Good morning, family. Welcome to the museum. Do you have tickets?
Yes, sir.
I have 4 tickets right here on my phone.
Very good. Before you walk inside, you must learn the golden rule.
The golden rule? What is the rule? Is it a secret?
Look down at the floor. Do you see the thick red line?
Yes, I see the red line. It is everywhere on the floor.
That is the safety line. You can look, but do not cross the red line.
Why? What happens if we cross the red line and touch the objects?
The objects are very old and very fragile. They break easily. If you cross the red line, the alarms will ring. It is very loud.
Did you hear the guard, kids? Keep your hands in your pockets.
My hands are in my pockets. I will not cross the red rope.
Me too. I will stay behind the line, I promise.
Thank you. Now, have a good time. Go to the dark space room.
Wow. This room is very dark and cold. It feels like the night sky.
Look at the center of the room. It is a space rock, a meteorite.
It is so beautiful. It is black, but it glows with a green light.
It fell from the sky a long time ago. It is made of heavy metal.
I need a photo of this. My friends on Instagram will love this rock. Mom, take a photo of me with my phone.
Okay, smile. 1, 2, 3, click.
Let me see the photo. Oh no, this photo is very bad. The rock is too far away. I need to get closer to the rock.
Leo, stop. Look at the floor. The red line is right there.
But Dad, the lighting is bad. I just need to take one quick step.
The guard said no. Leo, do not be stupid. Stay behind the line.
It will be very fast. The guard is not looking. He is not here.
Leo, come back here. Put your phone down.
Scene 5, bright red lights start flashing fast. Oh no, what is that noise? It hurts my ears.
The alarm. You cross the red line and you touch the glass.
The red lights are flashing everywhere. The room is going crazy.
Look at the big metal doors. They are closing very fast.
We are trapped. We cannot get out of the dark room. I am so sorry. I just wanted a good photo for the internet.
The loud noise is giving me a terrible headache. Make it stop.
I cannot stop it. The museum computer controls the alarm system.
We are in big trouble now. This is a complete disaster.
What do we do? Where can we hide? I am very scared.
We cannot hide, Leo. Look at the glass window. Look outside.
Oh no. The security guard is running. He is running to our door.
What is going on here? Why is the emergency alarm ringing?
I am so sorry, sir. My son crossed the red safety line.
It was my fault. I crossed the line to take a photo with my phone. I touched the glass. I broke the golden rule. Please do not arrest me.
I will not arrest you, but you must understand why we have rules. Rules protect the history. If everyone touches it, the history dies.
You are right. I was selfish. I will never break museum rules again.
Thank you for stopping the alarm, sir. Can we go outside now?
Yes, you can go. The exit is down the hall. Have a safe day.
Okay, family. That was too much action for one morning. My stomach is empty. Who wants to go to the restaurant and eat pizza?
Me? I want a big cheese pizza and a cold soda. Let's go.
Hey, everyone watching? Do you follow the rules or do you break them?
Tell us your craziest museum story in the comments down below.
Remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.
See you next week for another big family adventure. Bye.